How to fix keyboard disappeared on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart device from here. If you want to restart, click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, see all apps and search keyboard from here. For example, this is keyboard. Click on keyboard and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.